Let's discuss gadgets that are actually worth it. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. GUGUG Skin Scrubber Face Spatula might be just what you need. This multifunctional tool offers 4 modes designed for deep cleansing, lifting, and enhancing your skincare product's absorption. It transforms water into steam to gently lift away blackheads, oil, and dirt hiding under your skin. With a sleek, white design and stainless steel build, it's not only safe to use with sensitive skin, but also comes with a handy auto-off feature to prevent overuse. Pros: 4 versatile modes for a full skincare routine. Auto-off feature for safety and anti-touch design. Assist with product absorption and deep cleaning. Sleek and portable design. Cons: requires consistent use 2-3 times a week for noticeable results. Not suitable for pregnant women or children. Long initial charging time, 5 hours. Next, Panasonic Cordless 360-degree freestyle iron. This sleek silver iron offers ultimate flexibility with its cordless design, allowing you to glide smoothly over clothes and even tackle delicate sewing projects with ease. Featuring a nickel-coated stainless steel sole plate for a non-stick, ultra-smooth glide, and precision tips that help you iron even the smallest details. This iron is perfect for both large surfaces and intricate work. The powerful vertical steam function means no more struggling with hanging garments or curtains, and its anti-calc system ensures a drip-free, stain-free ironing experience. Pros: cordless design for hassle-free movement. Non-stick stainless steel sole plate glides smoothly. Powerful vertical steamer with no drips. Portable and comes with a convenient carrying case. Cons: heavier than some competitors at 4.5 pounds. Requires frequent recharging due to cordless design. Might not be ideal for extended ironing sessions without recharging. Next, Scrib 3D. One 3D printing pen is your gateway to drawing, doodling, and building incredible 3-dimensional designs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this 3D pen is designed for everyone, helping to boost spatial thinking and creative skills. The pen features a stepless speed control for precision in every project, whether you're working on intricate designs or need to fill larger areas quickly. It even comes with a ready-to-use kit, including 3 starter colors of PLA filament and a stencil guide to kickstart your creations. Pros: easy to use with adjustable temperature and speed control. Comes with starter kit, including 3 colors of PLA filament. Safe with auto sleep function and anti-clogging features. Versatile for beginners and advanced users alike. Cons: limited to 30 feet of filament initially. May require more for larger projects. Requires careful handling of temperature settings for different filament types. Continuous flow may take time to master for beginners. Next, Winben Anti-Gravity Cool Mist. Humidifier offers more than just moisture for dry air. It creates a soothing environment with white noise, perfect for babies and light sleepers. Its innovative anti-gravity mist effect not only boosts humidity, but also helps your indoor plants thrive. With an easy-to-fill, removable 600 milliliters tank, you can enjoy up to 8 hours of cool mist without the hassle. It's designed with safety in mind, featuring auto shut-off when water levels are low, and its quiet operation, 36 dB, ensures you or your little ones won't be disturbed during the night. Pros: unique anti-gravity mist effect adds a fun, calming atmosphere. Quiet operation with soothing white noise, 36 dB for better sleep. Easy to fill and clean with a removable tank. Auto shut-off for added safety. Long 5-year warranty for hassle-free ownership. Cons: limited runtime of 8 hours. May require refilling for longer use. Not compatible with essential oils or perfumes. Small 250 square feet coverage. May not suit larger rooms. Next, Rayhome Scrolling Bright Advertising LED. Sign is the ultimate customizable LED display for cars, shops, bars, and even weddings. This flexible 15x4 sign uses 2121 full-color RGB lamp beads for bright, attention-grabbing lights, all while keeping power consumption low. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily control and customize text, patterns, and animations through an app, allowing you to adjust the brightness and speed to suit any occasion. Pros: fully customizable via Bluetooth app with options for text, patterns, and animations. Bright, colorful RGB lights with low power consumption. Flexible, lightweight, and easy to install on various surfaces. IP66 waterproof rating ensures durability in different environments. Portable USB plug design designed for versatile use. Cons: limited to 15x4, which may not be large enough for some advertising needs. Requires constant Bluetooth connection for adjustments. 3M tape may lose effectiveness over time with frequent repositioning. Next, Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, your ultimate kitchen helper for quick, easy, and perfectly cooked eggs every time. Whether you're in the mood for hard-boiled, soft-boiled, poached, scrambled, or even an omelet, this compact device handles it all in just minutes at the push of a button. With a capacity to cook up to 6 eggs at once, it's a lifesaver for busy mornings, large families, or picky eaters. Weighing just 1 pound, it's super portable and perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or RV trips. Pros: versatile cooking options. Hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, and more. Cooks up to 6 eggs at once, saving time and effort. Compact, lightweight, and great for small spaces. Auto shut-off feature ensures perfect cooking every time. Includes various trays and a recipe book for added convenience. Cons: limited to 6 eggs at a time, which may not be ideal for larger families. Plastic material might not appeal to those preferring stainless steel. No temperature control for more precise cooking preferences. Next, EBODA. Electric spin scrubber is here to make cleaning effortless and efficient. Equipped with a powerful 25W motor and 2 adjustable speeds. 400 revolutions per minute for daily cleaning and 480 revolutions per minute for deep cleaning. This cordless scrubber is perfect for tackling everything from bathroom tiles to car surfaces. It comes with 6 replaceable brush heads designed for different surfaces, including bathtubs, floors, and windows, giving you the versatility you need for any cleaning task. Pros: powerful motor with dual speed settings for daily and deep cleaning. Includes 6 interchangeable brush heads for versatile use. Lightweight and extendable handle for easy cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. Long-lasting battery with 120 minutes of cordless operation. IPX7 waterproof for safe use in wet environments. Cons: 3.5-hour charging time may be long for some users. Not suitable for submersion underwater despite waterproof rating. May feel underpowered for very heavy-duty scrubbing tasks. Next, RDS portable monitor. A versatile 15.6 inches FHD 1080p triple screen extender that transforms your laptop into a powerhouse of efficiency. Whether you're a multitasker, gamer, or need extra screen space for presentations, this device is perfect for enhancing your workflow. With a flexible stand that supports 235 degrees horizontal and 90 degrees vertical rotation, you can adjust the screens to landscape or portrait. This portable monitor is plug-and-play, no drivers required, so it's ready to go with USB-C or HDMI connections. Pros: triple screen setup significantly increases productivity by up to 300%. Adjustable stand allows multiple viewing angles and screen configurations. FHD 1080p IPS display with built-in speakers for enhanced visual and audio experience. Plug-and-play functionality with no drivers needed. Compatible with multiple operating systems and devices. Cons: not compatible with Max M1/M2/M3 chips. May require additional power supply when using HDMI. At 2.1 pounds per side, it might add some bulk when traveling. Next, EBODA Bluetooth shower speaker. This portable, waterproof, and floatable Bluetooth speaker is built for adventure. With an IP67 rating, it's resistant to water, dust, and even sand. Perfect for your shower, beach day, or kayak trip. It features a powerful 2000 mAh battery that delivers crisp, distortion-free sound through its 5W driver. And you can even sync 2 of these speakers for true wireless stereo sound. IP67 waterproof rating, floats, and withstands dust and mud. Sync 2 speakers for true wireless stereo sound. 5 LED light patterns for added fun. Stable Bluetooth 5.0 connection with up to 33 feet range. Ultra portable with a built-in hook and carabiner. Cons: sound quality may be affected when submerged. 5W output may not satisfy those looking for a more powerful speaker. Battery life depends on volume and LED usage. Next, Tizzy Toy Brushless motor drone with 4K camera. This foldable drone is designed for intermediate users, offering an impressive 40 minutes of flight time with its 2 1600 mAh batteries. Featuring a 4K FPV camera with a 120 degrees adjustable lens, it captures stunning aerial views in real time, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts. With brushless motors for better wind resistance, optical flow, positioning for stable flights, and easy controls like one-key takeoff landing, this drone takes the flying experience to the next level. Pros: 4K camera with wide-angle lens for breathtaking footage. Long battery life with up to 40 minutes of flight. Foldable and portable with a carrying case for easy transport. Brushless motors ensure smooth, stable flights even in windy conditions. Packed with cool features like 360 degrees flips, altitude hold, and gesture control. Cons: limited to 120 degrees manual adjustment of the camera. Some users might find the advanced features overwhelming at first. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.